Well. It's another beautiful, wonderful, as people would say, rainy. But guess what? That rain, in every drop of that rain, there's a peep, a rose flower, peep, a day left, peep, a beautiful flower that is gonna be walking up, waiting to just show off soon. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'll be seeing colors in my front yard. Well, open my fridge, and for whatever reason, my milk is gone bad. Most times, I throw the milk, drain it, and forget about it. Yesterday, decided I'm gonna try something that I see everybody doing, and that's making cheese. I've never made cheese, but I know Africans used to make cheese out of the byproduct of the ghee. I remember as a young boy living in Cali, when they were done making the ghee, the butter, the byproduct was something that they used to sell called mala, which was buttermilk, the best treat for me then. Still is today, I love buttermilk. Well, decided let me be creative. That's the genesis of Patrick 5-Star Kitchen. You're creative, you make, you look, you see. You create a new recipe, maybe a one in a lifetime recipe. Enjoyed, forgotten, but leaves a memory. Well, what I did is last night, took the milk, put some salt, put it in the microwave for 6 minutes, let it sit there until this morning. So this is what we have. Looks like yogurt. Anyway, so what I'm getting ready to do is I want to make myself some nice spicy byproduct of this milk, using some of that spicy there that you use for making shish kebabs. I'm gonna put some of bouillon. I'm gonna put on some, give me a minute, let's see what else we can put in there. How about some Jerishi, some spicy stuff, just tell people we are from the tropics. We love the spicy stuff. And I'm gonna add that to give it kind of the cheesy kind of taste, some touch to that. So what basically I intend to do, I'm gonna mix this. Don't ask me the measurements, because when you're creating, you pick the palette of your paint and you work with it until you think you have what you want. So I'm gonna do 3 of those. I'm gonna maybe do 2 of that. To add some chicken salty taste. I'm gonna put just a little tiny bit of this. As you can see, you repurpose stuff. It doesn't have to be what they say you do. You are the boss in the kitchen. You decide what to do. So, we are going to be surprising ourselves today. One thing I've learned is some of these packages are pretty spicy, so I'm gonna go on the light side. Where 2, 3, we'll save that for another day. So we roughly pretty much mix this mixture. Mix. Fantastic. Actually, you can almost pretty much use this. It tastes so good. It can act like your salad dressing. You can put it on your baked chicken, curry chicken, right away from the way it is. But I'm going to concentrate the flavor by putting it in the oven at 220 degrees, and I will do it for 20 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it, and once it gets to the taste, the concentration, the flavor I want, we'll take it, get myself a wonderful container, save it and hide it from everybody else. It's gonna be my secret recipe, just for my special chicken. When nobody see a scoop here, a scoop there. Especially, just imagine you made this nice pasta, very simple, tomato sauce on it. Take a little bit of this instead of the powdered cheese, mix it together, and you go, oh my. You can take celery, cut it up, chop it up, some carrots, chop it up, some tomatoes, chop it up, a little bit of this, and the rest is gonna be, I guess, I'll let you know. If I repackage it, I'll tell you the nearest store where you can find it. If I'm in a good mood, who knows, I might scoop 1 tablespoon and carry it over in a secret stash just for you. In the meantime, stay tuned. I'll let you know what the outcome is. But next time, do not throw your spoiled meal down the drain. In the microwave, 6 minutes, put some salt, let it sit, strain the watery stuff from it so that you end up with this consistency, and from there build your own flavor. Don't have to be the recipe I'm giving you. Come up with your own flavor that tells you, that signs you off as a creative individual in the kitchen. Blessing. Talk to you later. Again, maybe you'll get a stash of a tablespoon, teaspoon, depends on how generous I wanna be. Bye-bye. Blessing from Patrick's 5-Star Kitchen. This is my spoil milk. We'll give it a name after it's done. Basically what I've done is I put it in the middle of a cast iron. I've put the lid on. I'll let it cook. Later on, I'm going to increase the temperature. It's been here for a little bit, almost an hour, to kind of let it concentrate the flavor. I'm going to increase the temperature to 350, covered until it turns into a consistency of almost maybe a kind of bread in thickness, where you can either cut it, spread it, or cut small cubes where you smack on it. Okay, so that's gonna be pretty much the final product once I am done, but you get the drift. And basically what the cast iron allows it not to burn, but yet do concentrate the flavor, because the cast iron concentrates the heat within the pot when it's covered. Goodbye, enjoy, be creative.